Let's look at the subsequent one. After some time, the particle is returned to its initial position and set into a new motion along x-axis. The motion of the particle is described by this differential equation. It's a new motion, so it's different now, where v is the velocity of the particle in meters per second at the time t after it starts on its new motion. T after, so this is another t. So now the question now is, if you return back, so the first half of the journey would have, let me see. The first half of the journey, you go back. So this is another set of t1, then this is t2. Okay, so this t2 will start from t2 is 0 here. Then this is t1, 0 here. Just remember that it resets because it says it starts from the new motion. If the particle is at rest just before it begins the new motion, find an expression of t for t in terms of v. So this will be a piecewise function, I believe. Because now v meters per second t. Find a t in terms of v. Okay. No, sorry, not a piecewise. This is just they just want v, so they do not really want the v is just the next motion. So I'm going to use calculate that. So this case here, what we get there is actually d vdt is actually just 2e minus v. So this is separable form. This is actually 2 over ev, so this is ev1. So this is separable, ev dv equals to 1 dt. Okay, so once done, this will be ev equals to t plus c. There you go. Great. So what we need now is the particle is motion. The motion of the particle is described by this differential equation. Return to its initial position. Initial position is x equals to 1, right? And t equals to 0. T is after, so t equals to starts from the new motion. So when t is 0, x is 1. So t is 0, x equals to 1. What is v? Particle is at rest before it begins a new motion. V is the velocity. Okay, so v is 0. It's at rest, right? V is 0. So x equals 1, t 0. So v is also 0. So this will give us E0 equals to 0 plus c. So c is equals to 1. So EV is equals to t plus 1. And then we just ln both sides. We will get v equals to ln t plus 1. Okay. Same thing, I did a careless mistake. I missed out a 2 there. So this is a 2 here. There's a 2 here. There's a 2 here. There's a 2 here. Just 2t here. Yeah, there you go. So there's the v. V is the yeah. So we've done this. Now let's look at the last one.